Hello, students. We are on page 17, and this is the end of day 4's lesson. And we're going to take a look at this first exercise, and it's a multiple choice. It says, which of the following expressions is equivalent to 10x plus 15? And explain how you made your choice in the space provided. So you've got 4 different choices, and one of them is equal to 10x plus 15. And what this means is this is what it is after you have distributed. Right? So why don't you take a second, see if you can figure out which one it is. So hit pause, and then you can come back and you'll see the answer. So hit pause. Okay, and we are back, and you can see that I started to distribute each one until I figured out which one worked, and I got choice 2. Right? The last problem is an example of what is called factoring, or sometimes I like to call it undistributing. Okay? So factoring is a process of writing an equivalent expression as purely the product of other expressions, right? And it says that factoring will be one of the most important skills that you want to reach fluency with, especially for later on math. But for now, we will do some fairly easy factoring, applying the distributive property in reverse, if you will. So in example number 2, you see I've got a chart here, and in A, B, C, and D, we're just going to distribute each one of these. So here I get 2x plus 10, 3x plus 12, 6x plus 6, and 7x minus 21. So now what I want to do is I want to, in a sense, go backwards. So now I want to find a number that I take out of each one. Okay? And that number is going to be the, excuse me, from Fast and Furious, the greatest common factor. So I'm going to take this one, 5 and 30, the largest number I can take out is 5. Now, when I take out the 5, think of this as division. This is going to leave me with an x plus a 6. Right? So let me show what's happening here. I'm taking 5x plus 30, and if you think about it as division, I'm taking out a 5. Okay? So if I divide by 5 here, this is just going to be x. 5 times x is 5x. Here I've got 30 divided by 5 is 6. Right? Next one. They both have 8s, so I can take an 8 out. And if I take an 8 out, careful on this one. Here's 8x plus 8. 8, this is 1x plus, and you have to put a 1 there, so plus 1. So this will be x plus 1. 3x minus 12, I can divide a 3. 3 will go into each one. 3x minus 12. Okay, 3 goes in here is x, and this would be minus 3 into, now the sign just kind of comes up here for right now. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this would be x minus 4. And then one more. 15x plus 20. 15 doesn't go into 20, but there is a number that can, and that number would be 5. So I'm going to take 15x plus 20, and I'm going to divide it by 5. All right, so this becomes 3x plus, and 20 goes in there 4. So 3x plus 4. Right? And that is basically what's happening is here you're multiplying through, here you're dividing out a common factor. Right? Let's see what else we got here. All right. So what that's going to allow you to do is now you've got exercise number 4 here for you to work through, and I will check. Then you have additional practice, okay, just more, and an application problem. And a quick check it looks like. So we'll just kind of see where we end up today. So short video, 4 minutes long, and stay focused, work hard.